Hi friends, another short video on my 2 years update on LG Gram. I bought it in 2018, reviewing it now again on 2020. Now there was one typical problem I was facing for the last 6-7 months, that is my CPU was overheating a little too much, in the range of around 80-85 degrees centigrade, at times 90 also, on my regular load, because my work has not changed since 2018. So I don't understand why the CPU should heat up so much. If the heating issues would have been there like Dell, it would have been there from day one. Now I somehow thought that why not I try out changing the thermal paste which is behind the CPU on this, and for that reason I have bought this MX4 Arctic Silver thermal paste. Bought it from Amazon. Bought it from Amazon for about 1000 rupees, and I am seeing that there are a lot of good reviews about it. Now before any of you guys go ahead with this, the first thing you will notice is that I have removed the battery, because you don't want anything blowing up with the battery connected. So this is the battery connector. You can just unplug it, and for my ease of working I have removed it. Now what I'll do is I'll come back to this video immediately after I've unscrewed the CPU. So I have unscrewed the 3 screws of the CPU, and now I'll slowly try to lift my heatsink. I'm sure it should be little tight because it's stuck for almost like 2 years. Yep, it has come off, and what I'm seeing here is that the complete paste has dried, and this paste is supposed to remain in a gel form. It is not supposed to dry, because if it dries then it won't be able to transfer heat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this thermal paste, and with alcohol and everything I'm going to reapply the thermal paste, and I'm going to get back with if the thermal numbers change or not. Now that reapplying and all that I will not be showing, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can see how to reapply it and do it. What I really am interested in is in showing that this is a thing that people need to look in if you're buying an expensive device and you're using it for a prolonged period, and especially in the Indian subcontinent, where the temperatures are the usual 8-9 months temperature is close to 35-40 degrees centigrade. So that's about it. I'll get back once when I have done the complete pasting and everything, and if I have good thermal numbers or not. So you can see my temperatures are down to 67, 66 and 70. I'm using CoreTemp to control, keep a check of my temperatures. And another thing that you guys will be seeing is that I'm using 2 external monitors. I'm not using my laptop, because this is my usual setup. I use 2 external monitors instead of my laptop, and what it does is it puts load on the graphic chip also, because both the chips are being cooled by the same heatsink. So I'm seeing here that the repasting of thermal paste actually helps control temperature and the CPU load, because what happens is otherwise it's now down to 57. Otherwise I was seeing temperatures of 85, 87, 90, and what happens is the moment you hit 90, the CPU starts throttling itself. That is, it starts reducing its speed to control heat, and that basically affects the performance. And with the SSD and everything, I don't see any reason why the performance should drop, because it doesn't have any mechanical hard drive or any that kind of a part. So I think any of you guys who are experiencing with other model laptops also heating issues, I think this is a simple hack. You guys can give it a try. Should working for me. Thank you so much.